Hey guys, welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine. Today I just wanted to do a quick video for all of you who have been following my hair journey. I just wanted to give you a quick update to show you how my hair looks like when I did the blow dry. I went to the hair salon 2 days ago and I did a little bit of work. I honestly did not want to cut my hair. I wanted to trim the ends, but as you know, most hairdresser, once you tell them, can you please trim my hair a little bit, they most likely will cut much more than expected. I remember the last time when I did my video, I showed you guys how my hair was like right here, neck length or shoulder length. Well, shoulder length or neck length, I don't know how you want to call this, but she did a lot of trimming to the point that my hair looks a lot shorter. I'm happy with it because she said, hey, they will grow even stronger. So I'm hoping that they will go back a lot stronger. And then another thing she told me, most hairdressers also keep in mind they're trying to make money as well. This is my first time going to her, and she advised that I do the Dominican blowout more often because she thinks that if I do it more often, my hair will grow longer. And I mentioned to her, most people say if you apply too much heat to your natural hair, it will damage it. But she recommended that I do the Dominican blowout at least, every 2 weeks. And so far, I'm still thinking about it. She did a great job, like I said, but applying too much heat on my hair, I don't think it's a great idea because she thinks that if I wear my hair in a kinky style, most of the time, it will damage it. That's her opinion, but I explained to her I've been natural for almost, is it 2 years now? Actually, it's about to be 2 years in December. And I feel like I was doing great, but she recommended that I do the Dominican blowout twice a week. And we'll see how that goes. I can actually try it for 2-3 months to see if what she's seeing is actually true. I literally fall asleep while she was doing my hair. You know how most people, they so heavy-handed when they blow drying your hair? She is very, very good. She did not pull my hair, the way the other people usually do it, because this is not my first time having a Dominican blowout. When I used to have perm, I used to do the blowout style, and most hairdressers, they're very heavy-handed and they make you feel like, they're shredding your hair. She was very, very soft. And the way she applied the heat, it wasn't too much to the point that I feel like my hair was burning. Because some people, when they do it, you can see the smoke coming out of your hair. You can literally tell that, okay, my hair is getting damaged. But she knows what she's doing, so I will give it about maybe 2 months to see, wearing my hair in that style to see if it will actually grow. And of course, I will still be doing my hair routine at home. So I haven't changed anything at all. I'm still using my castor oil. I'm still using my parental shampoo. I am using the homemade hair dressing that I've been doing. I do my home treatment. So I am now going to change that. I will keep doing that in addition to what she suggested to me to see if my hair will grow longer. Let me show you guys exactly how my hair looks like. It literally looks like I have perm on. Actually, my edges are growing, and the tips that I want to share with you guys, castor oil. Yes, girl. Castor oil is your best friend, all right? When it comes to trying to grow your edges back, try castor oil. My edges are growing, and it's all because of castor oil, you guys. I've seen a tremendous growth with my edges. No magic, just a castor oil, all right? Let me show you guys the length of. So she like I said, she cut a lot more than I expected. All right, a lot more. So if I don't tell anyone, you would actually think my hair is perm right now, right? This is how, you know, she did a great job doing it. But she claimed that if I keep coming every 2 weeks, my hair will grow longer. But all the research I've done, they say, hey, if you apply too much heat in your hair, your hair will pretty much fall off. But this hairdresser, she tells me otherwise. Alright. So, like I said, she did let me come closer so you can see what I mean. She did a lot of cutting. I can't show you the bag, but I wish I could. As you can see, like when my hair, the last time I did the video, my hair was touching where? Here, like this. Now it's like back to upper neck length. I'm okay with that. Since she said it's gonna go back healthier, so we'll see. This is my hair, guys. It's not permed, it's blow dry. Alright? For those of you who are out there, you think if I go natural, I can never have this look. No, girl, you can actually still have this look with your natural hair. Alright? So my edges, like I said, remember, my edges are going back. My edges are going back, and it's all due to castor oil. Find yourself a nice, how do you call it? Find yourself a nice organic castor oil, and then you should see the results. So this is what she did. She literally gave me a cut. When I said to trim it, she gave me a cut, you guys. You know, most hairdressers, they get scissor happy. She literally gave me a cut, but it looks good. At least it's not, you know. And I came home, my husband was like, oh my gosh, you look just like back in the days when I used to perm my hair. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And she recommended that I come every 2 weeks. We'll give that a try for 2 months to see if my hair gonna pass this length over here. And if not, I will keep doing what I do at home. Yeah. So can you see the beauty of having your hair natural? You can do any style that you want. Okay? When your hair is perm, all you can do is this look. Perm. Soft. But when your hair is natural, you can decide to go kinky, you can decide to go afro, you can decide to go curly, you can decide to go straight. I think, you know, us black women, we should appreciate our natural beauty and not try to, you know, do crazy stuff. The thing too, if you want to do braids, you can do braids. This is the beauty of you know, being natural. I can switch it up whenever I feel like it. If I want to look like this, I can. And all I have to do to revert it is wash it and get my afro back. This is what I love. If I want to have my afro back, I can have my afro back. If I want to do curls, I can do curls. And that's the beauty of being natural. So if you're watching this video and you're still thinking, oh my gosh, should I go natural? I would advise you to go natural, because your hair will be healthy and you're not putting chemical in your hair every 3 months. You can decide to do whatever style that you want. You will still look beautiful. I personally think I still look good with my afro or with my hair press, right? So yeah, guys, as you can see, this, I did put a little bit of color, and it's not dyed. I didn't dye my hair. This is temporary. It's not permanent. It will go away anytime. So it doesn't have any ammonia, so you know, it's not gonna damage the color I did is not going to damage my hair. Another thing too, the hairdresser recommend that I dye my hair, and I'm like, dyeing my hair? Because I like the goldish color. She said if I want to go that route, yeah, she said I would have to dye my hair, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to dye my hair because I would have to do lots of treatment to keep it, you know, healthy, and I think I'm just gonna, whenever I feel like I want to switch up the color, I'll do it at home. She does not recommend that you do it at home, but I know what I'm doing. I can do it at home. For those of you who watched my previous video, my hair is not perm, girl. It's pressed, Dominican Blowout. This is the style I have on right now, and I will keep you posted. If you're trying to go back your edges, I would recommend that you try castor oil every night, and you will see the difference. And I would recommend that you stay away from all this fake hair, the weaves that is pulling on your scalp, the braids, unless you can find someone who can do it for you, who's not gonna do it too tight, because the tighter your braids are, the more damages that you're putting on your scalp, and that was the reason why I lost my edges. But again, try castor oil and then stay away from those tight weaves and braids. Or if you want to switch up your style, you can have a wig at home. If you know, I mean, I would recommend that you attach your wig really tight, especially if there's a lot of wind outside, so your wig doesn't blow away. You're like, oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. So I know how to switch it up. If I want to put a quick wig, I can, but I don't feel confident wearing wigs because, first of all, my husband will be the first one to tell me you don't look yourself. And is there something that he doesn't like is me looking like someone he doesn't know with those wigs. But I like change. I like to change my style. But if it's for him, he wants to see this. Either, you know, my natural hair. However I do it, as long as it's my natural hair, he can put his finger through it and he's not touching tracks, you know, and stuff like that. He loves it. So it all depends to what you like and whatever that you think is best for your hair. So thank you guys for watching. As usual, please subscribe if you haven't done so. I will keep you posted with my hair journey. And for those of you who are new to this channel, I post a lot of videos about cooking, my recipes, my Haitian recipes, delicious. And I also recently started doing a lot of live topics videos. Please check it out and invite your friends and your family to subscribe to Taisha's Cuisine. As usual, I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye now.